Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to get a free Shopify trial with an exclusive deal. Click the link in the description to access a 3-day free trial and pay just $1 per month for the first 3 months. After clicking on the offer link, you'll be redirected to this page. If you're a new user, enter your email address here and click Start Free Trial. You can select your country from this drop-down list, the location of your business. My email address is already showing here, so you will need to make a new password. So enter a strong password here and click on Create Shopify Account. Next, think about where you want your products to be sold. If you're planning to run an online store, select that option to set up your e-commerce website. If you already have a website or blog, Shopify can help you add a buy button. Not sure yet? That's fine too. You can click on I don't want help setting up and decide later. I'll choose this option for now. From here, you can select your desired plan. If you're just starting a new e-commerce store, I suggest going for the basic plan, as it covers all the essentials for launching and expanding an online store. There are 3 plans: Basic, Shopify, and Advanced. You'll get each plan free for the first 3 days as a trial and then $1 for 1 month. After that, the pricing is as follows: $39 for the basic plan, $105 for the Shopify plan, and $399 for the advanced plan. You can click View Plan Details to learn more about these plans and see the full list of features. For most beginners, the basic plan is more than enough. I'll choose the basic plan by clicking Try Basic. Next, you'll be asked for your credit or debit card information. If you're not ready to enter this now, you can click Do This Later. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a message showing 3 days left in your trial. To continue, click Select a Plan and choose the basic plan. If you want to save more, you can opt for the yearly billing plan. Enter your card information and zip code, then click Subscribe. And that's it. Your Shopify account is ready, and you can start exploring the platform. From customizing themes to adding products, Shopify makes it easy to build a store that reflects your style. This video gave you a quick walkthrough of how to claim Shopify's free trial and start your journey. If you'd like a complete step-by-step tutorial on building your Shopify store from scratch, stay tuned. I'll be sharing an in-depth guide soon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. And remember, the link in the description gives you access to this special deal. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.